Today we are learning to count on by tens and ones to a two-digit number so that we can count on mentally. Remember, we want you to try and count on mentally. You will know you've got it when you can mentally count on without using a number line. Let's talk some math vocab. First, let's think about the problem. What is 40 plus 30? You need to think, what is 4 plus 3? Again, you need to think, what is 4 plus 3? It's equal to 7, a sum of 7. Now think 4 tens plus 3 tens. 4 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 7 tens. So 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Let's practice some more. 25 plus 1. What is 25 plus 1? Say 25. Count on by 1. 25 plus 1 is 26. Try a little harder one. What is 32 plus 20? Now say 32 plus 20. Count on by tens. 52. One last one. What is 26 plus 30? It's very important you'll line up your numbers nice and neat. Now you could also go 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. As I've always told you, there's more than one way to get an answer. And don't forget, always, always write neatly. The numbers should be lined up nice and evenly. Now let's do something a little harder. We're going to try something called hidden numbers. This is a challenge problem. What was added to change the number? We started at 30 and we ended at 52. What number was added to change the number? Take a moment and think about it. All right then, what number did you get? Put it in the circle in the blue rectangle. Now let's move to the green rectangle. We have 51. What number was added to change the number to 91? And finally, the orange rectangle. We had 25. What number was added to change the number to 85? A little more mental math. We're going to count on tens and ones as we've been doing, but now we're going to look at a word problem. So we need to understand the problem, we need to plan, solve, and check. Emmett has 54 marbles. He buys 30 more. How many marbles does he have in all? What should we do first before we solve the problem? We need to understand what the question is, which means we should underline the question. How many marbles does he have in all? The key words in all tell us that we need to add. The key information is 54 and 30. Emmett has 54 marbles. He buys 30 more. Now let's solve by counting on tens. If he starts at 54, count on by 10. What would be the next number? And continue counting on. Again, we're trying to get you to do this mentally, mental math. And there's always more than one way to solve the problem. We could also write 54 plus 30. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And as you can see from us counting on together, we ended up with the same answer. I hope the video helped out and helped you realize that it's very important that you write neatly, keep your columns nice and straight, and there's always more than one way to solve the problem. Do what works best for you.